And this morning we're getting you the latest updates coming in from the state of Maharashtra, which remains the worst affected by coronavirus. Maharashtra has seen its biggest spike in cases in the last 24 hours with 2,940 new cases and also 63 deaths being reported. The total number of cases in Maharashtra is now inching towards the 45,000 mark. 12,583 people have made a full recovery in the state so far, with 857 patients being discharged in the last 24 hours. Financial capital Mumbai has become the epicenter of rising COVID cases, with more than 27,000 being recorded. The city, in fact, has reported 1,751 new cases and 27 deaths in the last 24 hours. Maharashtra now accounts for 34% of the COVID cases in India. Mustafa Sheikh is joining us live from Mumbai with more details on this. Mustafa, good morning. We've been reporting every single day on the situation in Maharashtra, but what we're being told right now is that in the last 24 hours, we've seen the biggest single-day spike so far. Mustafa, we'll reconnect with you. We're having a problem with your line there. We'll go back to Mustafa in just a bit to get more details on this. But keeping our focus on Maharashtra also, we're also, of course, telling you about the overall numbers. Now, as India continues to report a surge in coronavirus cases, the Health Ministry, in its briefing on coronavirus, said that the pandemic has in fact been concentrated in a few spots and 80% of deaths have been reported in just 5 states. That's Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bengal and Delhi. The Health Ministry also said that COVID-19 recovery rate has improved to 41% and India now is doing over 1 lakh tests per day. So far, India has conducted over 27 lakh COVID tests. Now, the government has also informed us that the mortality rate, which was at 3.13% on May 19th, has been reduced to 0.32%. Now, government said that due to this timely lockdown, health infrastructure got ample time to come back with better preparedness.
वायरस का बिहेवियर एक्सपोनेंशियल बिहेवियर है जो हम देखते हैं, तो उसको स्पीड को कम करने के लिए आप देखिए कि 4 अप्रैल के लगभग के बाद में स्पीड में क्लियर एक डिक्रीज आती है और आप ये भी देखेंगे कि शुरुआत के 15-20 दिन तक इतनी स्टीप डिक्लाइन दिखाई दिया जा रहा है, उसके बाद ये सेटल हो रही है, सेटल हुई है और हम 5.5 के लगभग जो ग्रोथ परसेंट है उसके ऊपर आ गए, जो कि मान लीजिए पहले 15 था या 18 था या 22 भी रहा था। तो ये दर्शाता है कि जो वायरस की बढ़ने का जो प्रोग्रेशन था उसको देश ने मिलकर रोका।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.